Welcome to episode 35 of our Snowflake Snowpro Advanced Architect Certification In-Depth Training Podcast. I'm your host, Yaqub Abdul Hakim from Brightflux, and today we're diving deep into the intricacies of federated authentication in Snowflake. This topic is crucial for anyone looking to fortify their understanding and preparation for the Snowflake Snowpro Advanced Architect Certification exam. We aim to cover every nook and cranny of this topic to ensure that by the end of this episode, you'll be thoroughly equipped with the knowledge necessary to ace questions related to federated authentication in your exam. Federated authentication, in essence, allows users to authenticate using their organization's identity provider, ADAP, rather than managing separate passwords for Snowflake. This method provides a seamless and secure way for users to access Snowflake, simplifying the authentication process and enhancing security by leveraging the robust protocols of the IDP. Let's start with the basics. At its core, federated authentication in Snowflake supports SAML 2.0 Security Assertion Markup Language, an open standard for exchanging authentication and authorization data between parties, specifically between an IDP and a service provider. This implies that organizations can use their existing IDP, such as Okta, Azure AD, or ADFS, to manage user access to Snowflake. Notably, implementing federated authentication involves configuring both the IDP and Snowflake to trust each other, a process that entails setting up SAML 2.0 integration in both systems. Moreover, the benefits of using federated authentication are manifold. Firstly, it streamlines the sign-in process for users, eliminating the need for them to remember another set of credentials. Secondly, it enhances security by enabling features like multi-factor authentication, MFA, and single sign-on, SSO, which are facilitated by the IDP. Additionally, it simplifies user management and provisioning for administrators, making it easier to onboard and offboard users. To implement federated authentication effectively, there are several key steps and best practices to follow. Initially, you must establish a trust relationship between Snowflake and your SDP by creating and exchanging metadata. This includes configuring Snowflake to accept assertions from your IDP and setting up your IDP to send those assertions to Snowflake. During this process, it's essential to ensure that the user attributes in the SAML assertions match those in Snowflake, including attributes like username and role. Furthermore, Snowflake offers additional capabilities that enhance the federated authentication experience. For instance, Snowflake supports automatic user provisioning, which allows administrators to automate the creation, update, and deactivation of user accounts based on the information received from the IDP. This feature not only saves time but also ensures that access is granted and revoked in a timely and secure manner. Additionally, Snowflake provides flexibility in configuring session policies for federated users. These policies can be customized to control session duration, multi-factor authentication requirements, and IP whitelisting, among other security parameters. This level of customization ensures that organizations can enforce their security policies effectively within Snowflake. Lastly, it's worth noting that while federated authentication offers numerous advantages, it's also crucial to consider potential drawbacks and limitations. For example, the initial setup and configuration of federated authentication can be complex and may require collaboration between Snowflake administrators and the organization's IT team. Additionally, if the IDP experiences downtime or issues, it could impact users' ability to access Snowflake. In conclusion, federated authentication in Snowflake is a powerful tool that, when implemented correctly, can significantly enhance the security, usability, and manageability of accessing Snowflake. As you prepare for your Snowflake Snowpro Advanced Architect Certification exam, ensure that you have a comprehensive understanding of federated authentication, including its advantages, setup process, best practices, and potential challenges. This knowledge will not only aid you in the exam, but also in architecting secure and efficient Snowflake deployments in your professional career. Thank you for tuning in to this episode. Remember, the path to certification is a journey, and we are here to guide you through every step. Stay tuned for our next episode, and good luck with your studies.